Creating a symbol in Animate 2024. A symbol is a reusable object that we can use for special effects, animation, or interactivity. Symbols are stored in the library panel. When we drag a symbol, Animate creates an instance of a symbol. An instance is a copy of a symbol which is located on the stage. A symbol can contain JPEG image, drawings, etc. There are 3 types of symbols in Animate. Movie clip symbol, used to create animations. We can apply color settings, blending modes, and filters in this symbol. Button clip symbol, used to insert and manage interactivity. It needs a code or a program to function. We can apply color settings, blending modes, and filters to this symbol. Graphic symbol, used to build more complex movie clip symbols. We cannot apply color settings, blending modes, and filters in this symbol. To create a symbol, perform the following steps. Step 1. Click on the File, New option from the menu bar for opening a new file. Or click on the File, Open option from the menu bar. Select the desired file from the Open dialog box and click on the Open button. Step 2. Select the Rectangle tool from the Tools panel. Step 3. Use the Stroke Color and Fill Color in the Properties panel to select the required outline and fill color from the color picker for the object. Step 4. On the stage, draw a rectangle holding down the left mouse button. Step 5. Click on the Selection tool in Tools panel. Step 6. Click and select the rectangle on the stage. Click on the Modify, Convert to Symbol option from the menu bar. Step 7. The Convert to Symbol dialog box appears. Enter a suitable name for the symbol and click on OK button. The new symbol is listed in the library panel.